Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Learn Computer Science with Manik Sharma. Today I am going to start a new series of lecture. The key intention of this series is to discuss the theoretical and practical aspect of R language. In this session, I will discuss the key characteristics of R language. Let's start with a brief introduction to the R. R is a programming language and software environment for statistical analysis, graphical representation, and reporting. R was created by Rose Ihaka and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand. It is currently developed by the R Development Core team. The core of R is an interpreted computer language that allows branching, looping, as well as modular programming using function. R allows integration with the procedures written in other programming environments like C, C++, .NET, Python, or Fortran language for efficiency. It is freely available under the GNU General Public License, and pre-compiled binary versions are provided for different operating systems like Linux, Windows, and Mac. Let's understand the key characteristics of R language. As stated earlier, it is a programming language and software environment for statistical analysis. Some of the key characteristics of R language are well developed, interpreted, open source, support for conditional and iterative statements, comprehensive programming language, packages, integration with other technologies, distributed computing, data variety, data handling, data visualization, data analysis, data interface support, data wrangling, machine independent, and web scraping. Let's understand these features one by one. R is a well-developed, simple, and effective programming language with the help of which one is able to design and develop sequential, conditional, and iterative programs. R language is interpreted instead of compiled. The R code is interpreted one step at a time and directly converted it into machine level calls. This makes running an R script much less time consuming. R is an open source software environment. It is free of cost and can be adjusted and adapted according to the users and the project's requirement. One can make improvement and add packages for additional functionalities. It supports conditional statements, loops, user-defined recursive functions along with other input and output facility. R is a comprehensive programming language. That means it provides services for statistical modeling as well as for software development. R supports wide number of packages that are available in one of the repository known as CRAN. R can be integrated with a number of different technologies, framework, software packages, and programming languages. R can also support distributed computing. In distributed computing, a complex task can be decomposed into a number of subtasks that can be assigned on multiple processing nodes to reduce processing time, and that may further increase the efficiency. R can handle a variety of structured as well as unstructured data. It also supports various data modeling and data operation facilities. R has an effective data handling and storage facility. R has a very good support for data representation and data visualization. R provides a suite of operators for calculation on arrays, list, vector, and matrices. R provides a large, coherent, and integrated collection of tools that may assist in data analysis. R contains several packages like R Oracle, Open Database Connectivity Protocol, R MySQL that enable it to interact with different databases. R also support data wrangling. With this feature, one is able to clean complex and inconsistent data set and to make data enable and convenient for computation and for further analysis. R is machine independent. It supports the cross-platform operation, therefore it can be used on many operating systems. Above all, R is also useful for web scraping and is being used to solve different machine learning problems. To summarize, R is most widely used statistical programming language of these days. It is being the primary choice of data scientists and supported by a vibrant and talented community of contributors. I hope that you have enjoyed this session. Please like and share this video. For more update and technical insight of computer science, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.